Group meeting quiz 1 and 2 true. Done. A+ for me.
Number 3
3 is C.
is C,
3 is
right?
Yeah.
C, yes. Yep, because I reviewed that with my tutor today.
Isn't 4 C as well?
I think so.
Yes,
So as well.
sounds like it.
I think 5 is A.
I was thinking A too.
Sounds good.
Yep, I think so as well. Now we get to have.
Yeah. Now it gets a little tougher.
Okay, we did some of this today in tutoring. Yippee.
Back in tutoring.
Went well. Let's see if I remember all his answers. Look something up here real quick.
Yeah, I was gonna say the Joker's less ethical. Well,
So the confidence rating is the explanatory, and the score is the response. Is that what I'm understanding?
look at the stats. I know it seems
I'm
like
trying to get
that's
my
not true,
spreadsheets pulled up.
and it doesn't seem true from the Batman movie. But how does that make sense to actually
Okay, but still, he's an
He does
abusive
not have-
narcissist that's.
Math self F.
No, but he's saying
And I
So,
think,
okay, but what I'm saying is he's less ethical than I'm sorry.
how did we do this today? Yuck.
but he does definitely not have high fly.
This one.
Okay, but he's less
He's
ethical.
like third from the bottom.
What I'm saying is, just because he doesn't have a high body count doesn't mean he's not.
Okay, if I remember right,
The reason he doesn't have a high.
I think the explanatory. Which one did you say it was, Brett?
It looks to me like the confidence variable is the explanatory,
Yeah.
and the
Yeah.
score is the response.
Yep, that's it.
Okay.
That's, yeah, because I had everything backwards today in tutoring, and it was like, okay.
Thanks for listening. You're awesome.
Get the residual for the data.
Okay.
So you're just asking us to put this on a plot? Or graph it?
Looks like it.
I can't remember how it said to do that.
Well, if I remember right, if you put everything in, it builds it for you on the linear regression form. It builds.
Yeah, you just have to.
Is that what that graph is right there?
That's what I think it is. That's what I remember hearing about.
The manual said something about highlighting something and then doing something and hitting insert and something.
You have to put it in ascending order.
Jumping through hoops, standing on your
But that might be something else.
and hold your tongue out the right way.
Well, standing upside down.
And spinning.
Well, that doesn't match any of the answers, does it? Or between about minus 40.
I got 23.4 to negative 38.2.
Hang on.
How?
I just copied the residuals, which is the fourth column,
Yeah,
and I put them into the quantitative descriptive spreadsheet under QQ plots.
yeah.
You copy it with the 1, 2, 3 on the paste, or paste it on the 1, 2, 3 so it does numbers instead of.
Is that what it was? I knew there was something about copying something and. Do you number sort them or no?
Yeah, and then I just went and sorted them from. Then it gave us a QQ plot where it pretty much followed standard, whatever we call it. I mean, minus 38.2 to whatever that other number was.
So it forms a linear pattern?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's what I got.
I'll take it.
Yeah, to 23.4, so pretty close to 5. As long as you paste it in there right. I kept pasting in there and getting formulas when I was working on this yesterday. It's driving me crazy.
Mine keeps saying REF something or other.
Reference
Yeah, it's
number.
Okay, so when you put paste,
Yeah,
when you hit to go to paste, it's like the second one over, and in the little clipboard it says 1, 2, 3. So click on that clipboard. Then it should put numbers in.
Okay. And which one is it that we open? The quantitative or the categorical?
Quantitative, descriptive.
Wherever that.
Descriptive
There it
stuff.
is. There it is.
wait,
Did you get
click
that?
on the clipboard and then do what?
If you go in there and you'll just go to hit paste, after you copy it, when you go to paste, it's like the second clipboard over and has a little 1, 2, 3 in it.
Oh.
The second or third clipboard to your right. Once you get into the paste special, couple clipboards across there.
Okay.
And then you want to do the one with the 1, 2, 3 on it.
Oh, there it is. Okay. What's the number of bins?
Do
What's the number of
QQ
what?
plot one.
Okay, and if you populate it from smallest to largest,
Chart.
yeah, on the QQ plot.
Yeah, wrong chart.
What?
Sorry.
Once you populate it from smallest to largest, then it puts you a pretty solid linear line or linear pattern, whatever.
Okay. So once you get it in, do you have to sort it? You have to sort all the information?
Smallest to big.
No.
If you go biggest to small. What?
Got it.
I'm working on it. I'm
Work?
slow. Sorry.
Yeah, then
If
you
you go
would want to
big-
sort it, John.
Yeah, then sort it. If you sort it
largest-
biggest, smallest to biggest.
Smallest to biggest. Okay, I'm going the opposite.
If you do it the other way, it makes an X.
Okay.
You put your trend line and then the other one goes backwards.
Yeah.
Descending instead of ascending.
Okay. Yep. It's going to the right.
So linear pattern then, is that what we decided?
Yeah,
Mhm.
it looks pretty linear to me.
Yeah. Pretty solid line.
Yeah.
So the residuals are fairly normal. Perfect.
So you'd have a linear relationship then.
Okay. Residual plot.
So on 8, it's A.
I think so. Is that what it'd be? Because we're just seeing if it's a linear one, right?
Yeah.
That there's a linear relationship between X and Y, whatever X and Y are.
Yep.
There's more than one answer.
Yep.
Oh,
I
there's
think-
one. Oh, man, that's a pain in the butt.
They're normally
I think C is
distributed, right? Yeah. Observations are independent?
I don't know about that one.
I have no idea either. I don't even know what that means.
The variance of error terms is constant for all values of X. There's 3 right or 2. I don't think it's D and E. I don't think it's either one of those 2. I'm not quite positive if B's part of it or not.
The variance
But I know when we was doing some of the,
is constant. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, I don't know what B means at all.
okay, so if you have you done the homework for
Yeah.
You do homework?
Good
I wanna
joke,
pass
Jeff.
this.
Good joke.
I gotta pass this class. That's all I can say.
So
I don't
do
want to
I.
ever have to do it. On the assignment one or whatever, the first one,
Right?
it has you check it by 3 different ones. It says there's a linear relationship between X and Y has to be true. The error term is normally distributed, and the variance of the error term
Oh, there it
is
is.
constant for all values. And that's in the answer sheet too, to the assignment. Because I wasn't going to type all that in, I just copied and pasted it into my.
Well, wait a second. It also lists all 5 of them.
He talks about 5 in the video. I did see that, but he said the only ones we really need to worry about are the first 3 because the other 2 get us into a different format of some kind of statistics.
And he just said they're there, but these are the only 3 that we're going to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 and 5 can't be checked directly.
The thing right there. I think
Right.
you got that. We'd have to have.
Constant variable or constant variance is the residual plot. No megaphone shape in the residuals. Oh, we don't have a megaphone shape.
No.
Nope.
No.
Into the area.
So normal error term, the QQ plot of the residuals, we got that one.
Okay, you have to do a,
Residuals, hot dog shape in the scatter plot.
we have to do a scatter plot on the residuals.
Oh,
Now, if you do that on another graph, it's pretty straightforward, straight out. Residuals on your first line regression one, and put those insert them into a scatter plot. That looks pretty just out there. So I think we're okay.
so
Alright.
we just going with A and C or B?
I put A, B, and C because I think all 3 of those are
Let's do it.
okay.
Yeah, that sounds good.
A,
Sink or
B,
swim.
and C it is.
B1,
You won
estimated
this
slope.
12.695?
Yeah.
695.
Lower
Yeah,
bound
and
is
95,
10.
4.
674.
Yep.
Sounds right.
Okay.
And 14.6.
14.715 for the next one.
Yeah, I think so. The T statistic is 12. No, that doesn't matter because we're doing the p-value and it's negative 24. So it's got 23 zeros before we hit a 3. So it's
Yep.
way smaller than
Yep.
reject the null.
So which?
So-
See,
Yeah, we even worry about the T statistic. We're just looking at the p-value versus the significance. Unless I'm wrong. Everybody's got to say yes or no.
sounds good to me.
The
P,
P's,
I agree.
Yeah, the p-value is way low, so it's got to be that one.
Got to be rejected.
Yeah.
So if we reject, then
I think it's
We-
13.
we have sufficient evidence.
Conclude that the slope of the line, the slope of the regression is not 0.
I think it's
I think so.
because we're rejecting the null and we're saying that it is 0 on the null.
Right.
So we would have to say it is not 0. It's not equal
Yeah.
to 0. I think you're right on that one, John.
So D.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. The crocodile. Goody.
Crocodiles.
Dependent variable. Head length. So head.
Yeah, head's the X. The body should be the other.
Okay, let's get that stuff ready to go.
Okay. I'll get my spreadsheet to work again.
What? Where's my crocodiles? I have Old Faithful.
Someday,
instead.
fast internet. Dependent's the Y variable, right?
Yeah, I
Isn't it-
think so.
Dependent would be the response because we depend on whatever the other one is. Would that be correct?
Sounds good to me.
I left all my notes upstairs for this chapter, so
Dependent is the Y variable. The independent are predicting one. So it should be the body length. And then,
Well, if we're predicting they're ugly, hey, that's not hard. Ugh.
speed.
Like telling me we're comparing snakes. It's like, no, thank you.
So dependent is the body length,
Head.
head length. Okay.
I think the head length is the explanatory to be the body length because we would,
Because we're using the head to determine the body. Okay.
Oh, goody.
so
Here
the
comes-
hypothesis is always the same on these, right?
yes, it's the, as far as what I saw, HOB1 equals and then HA whatever equal to. Okay, well, what's the 95% confidence interval? Margin of error. Oh, I don't like these ones. This is where we have to add the 2 up and divide by 2 or whatever.
I think
Is that
so,
what I'm-
but what are we adding?
I think we do the confidence between. So if I got this right, it's 7.218 and 8.103.
Okay.
Is that what's on your guys' confidence interval?
I'm still getting there.
What
That's
did you
what I
have,
got.
Jeff?
8.103, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 7.218 and 8.103.
Yep.
And this is where we add and divide by 2, if I remember right. Or we
Yeah.
Upper bound minus lower bound,
then divided by
And
2.
and then divide by 2.
Upper bound minus lower bound. Okay.
Yeah.
So 8.103 minus the 7.218
Yep.
So I got
divided by
0.4.
2.4425.
So we doing this is 3 decimal points, I'm guessing.
Yes.
Yeah, so 0.443.
I like how they keep throwing some of this old stuff in here from other classes, especially in the homework. I'm just going, are you guys kidding me? Picking on us on those.
Upper bound,
And that-
lower bound.
And that
is
just means it's going to be on the test.
Yeah.
upper
a lot of
bound.
Chances. But one chance sometimes it's not, doesn't always work.
Based on your. Ugh.
So we have a p-value that's super low. And we have to have something in there that's true. We are,
It depends on if 0 is in there, right?
which it's not.
Which it's not.
One of them is that way. Is that this one?
So I think, doesn't that mean there's insufficient evidence? Or does that mean there's sufficient evidence?
Eh.
Our p-roll, our p-value is really small, so we'd have sufficient, right?
I think
Yeah.
so.
Just like in,
I think if there's a 0 in there, it's insufficient.
Yeah.
Okay,
So are
so
we going with C?
no,
A
Is
or
it
B
A?
then?
we are 95.
I'm really bad at these.
I don't like them.
You're 95% confident the confidence interval will contain the p-value.
Well, they're being, I think it's, I always remember confidence. We don't have a 95% chance. I just don't,
Yeah, chance never is good.
yeah.
Okay, we'll say A. Let's see how we did
There's a
here.
95 chance you'll miss it if you pick that one.
Right.
Ow.
Yes.
Submitting. Let's see what we got. Well, we got 1 and 2 right for sure. 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 wrong.
Okay.
We got 14 wrong. And that's it. We got everything else right.
So what's wrong?
Okay. Oh, I didn't want to do. Oh, that was stupid. That was stupid.
Oh, the residuals are not all negative on 6, right? It's got to be A, right?
Okay, let's see.
Which ones did we miss? I didn't catch them.
Hang on.
6 and 14.
Yeah, 6 and 14, and yeah. Grr.
So 14, the
No.
response or the dependent variable is body length then.
Well, that's what I put. 6.
How did we
What'd you put on 6, John?
Hang on. I got to get back to it. I'm getting right there now. Okay, so 6, we put the residuals form a linear pattern.
Negative 40 and 25.
So I'll bet that's going to be right.
And we, computer to look at it, I will save responses, go submit.
And you changed 14?
I had it the other way already.
Okay.
Yeah, so 6 was -40 to 25.
Okay.
14 was body length.
So everything else was good, huh?
It was 100.
Yep. Everything else should be good then.
It's 18 for 18. It should give us more points than like a quarter of a point.
I
Yeah.
know.
Okay, so 3 is C.
It doesn't even affect your grade
Like,
unless you don't
yeah.
take it. Then
4.
take a big hit.
Not enough, that's for sure.
5. 6 is A. 7 was B. 8, A, B, and C. 9, 12, 10, 10.74.
How long do you think it would take to just do that other quiz tonight? Or do you guys not have time?
The homework one? Or the big
No,
one?
the other group meeting quiz. We still
Yeah.
have to meet, otherwise it has to be in a separate recording and posted for that day.
We don't have to post 24. We just have to do it.
Yeah.
But depending on what we do, and I think we just have to get it done.
C,
Which I haven't even started working on that yet.
No, I haven't.
13.
Are you done recording now, Jeff?
Please say yes.